Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Yes, you can access Comcast IMAP email on multiple devices. To set it up, use the following IMAP server settings. Incoming mail server, IMAP. imap.comcast.net. Port 993. SSL. Yes. Outgoing mail server, SMTP. smtp.comcast.net. Port 587. SSL. Yes. Enter your full Comcast email address and password for authentication. Configure these settings on each device you wish to access your email from.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.